Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs. And this video is all about the crochet top blouses designs. Crochet top blouses videos. Top blouses, different designs, different videos you have to share with you. I have shared with newly designs, newly videos, and different topics are available in this channel. And different videos of top blouses, crop tops, and granny skirts top blouses, flowers top blouses are using different designs. And top blouses with carry jeans, crochet palazzo, and different crochet with crochet shoes, and full crochet designs, full dressing crochet are available in this channel. And different amazing necklines, earrings, hairbands are totally videos are added in these videos. For more creative and stunning videos, you will be amazing designs. Keep more attractive, keep more stunning videos of top blouses. Mostly top blouses demanding videos of granny skirts. Granny skirts are using different pattern, different designs of ideas. I have shared with you. I have shared with many things, many attractive designs. And 2 colors combination granny skirt top blouses are available in my videos. 3 colors combinations and 1 colors combinations. Full white granny skirt blouses and different colors combinations designs for every girls, every woman's. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members will be connected and share with my videos for family members, friends. So take care yourself. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel, in these creative and stunning videos. So let's go, inshallah. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye.